Hey guys, how's it going? Stuck choosing between Gemini 2.0 and ChatGPT? Let me break it down so you can decide which is better for yourself. Gemini 2.0 is your go-to for advanced productivity tools. It excels in task automation, workflow, and customization, and real-time collaboration. You can see right here by clicking the settings, the extensions, and you're going to be able to click continue right here into connected. You can have access to multiple toolkit that's been used, multiple toolkit used by Google, like Google Maps, Google Flights, and much more. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a conversational AI powerhouse, perfect for natural language understanding and generating detailed responses or creative content. Like right here, summarize text, right? Chapter one of a book, right? And they will summarize a chapter one on a book if you basically tell them, right? And if you need to manage projects, brainstorm ideas, or summarize documents, Gemini 2.0 is built for structured tasks and efficiency. Lastly, if you're looking for that chatbot that can dive deep, can dive deep into uh, discussions, provide detailed explanations, or assist with creative writing, you can just go ahead right here. What do you think about the world? For example, the ChatGPT will have a conversation or even a debate and will help you basically understand how to get into the mix, like how to get in a one-on-one conversation. ChatGPT might be your pick for detailed explanations or assist with creative writing. In the end, it's about your needs. Gemini 2.0 is productivity and automation. ChatGPT is for conversational creativity. Why not try both and see what works best for you? So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We'll definitely see you in the next one.